Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the file in use shell infrastructure host error. If you have been struggling with this issue, you are not alone. I've been dealing with it myself and noticed many of facing the same problem. So let's fix it together with some quick and easy steps. First of all, what caused this error? This error happens when the shell infrastructure host process, also known as chost.exe, gets stuck or malfunctions. Even if it is not using a lot of CPU, it can still cause issues like preventing from renaming, deleting, or moving files. The good news, moving file, it happens because of that. The good news is it's usually an easy fix. Uh, yeah, first step you can take for resolving your issue is to restart the shell infrastructure host process. For that, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the task. Look for shell infrastructure host or chost.exe in the list. You can search use you can also use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you find it, right click on it and select the task. This could close the process. Now close the task manager, and after that you have to restart your PC. uh, if this steps don't resolve your issues, you can also use the second method. So move on to the next step, run the system files checker SFC scan. How you can do that? By following these steps. First of all, you have to click on the start menu and type CMD on the uh, on the Windows section. Right click on the commands prompt and choose the run as an administrator. In the prompt window, type the following command and hit enter. The fsc.scan now. You can use this one, and this will scan your system for corrupted files and attempt to fix them. Wait for the process to complete, and once it's done, restart your whole system or whole computer and check it if the error is resolved or not. If the if that uh, this if that doesn't help you with that, you can also uh, choose the third step. Uh, the third step is very easy and very fast. First of all, like you have to update your Windows. For that, you have to open a setting by pressing Windows plus I and go to Windows Update. Click check for updates and install any available updates. For me, right now, it is not available, and it can be available in your point. This system will update can resolve compatibility issue that might be causing the error. And that's it. This simple steps should help you fix the file in the use shell infrastructure hosts error. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, and thank for watching.